Congratulations on the purchase of your alfresco fire table. To assemble your fire table, you will require a Phillips screwdriver or cordless drill with a Phillips tip. Your fire table will come in 2 large boxes. Please use caution and 2 people when lifting and assembling. Unpack all of the fire table parts. Attach the 4 adjustable legs onto the main base piece and sit the base on the legs. Adjust the 4 legs to level the base and to stop any rocking. Remove the packaging from the stand section. Remove the owner's manual, lid, cover and ice bucket. There is only one way that the stand section will bolt onto the base. Line up the stand section to ensure that the holes align. Use the stainless steel Phillips head screws to attach the stand section to the base. Start the screw, but do not tighten them to ensure that all the holes align. Once all the screws are started, you can use a screwdriver or cordless drill to tighten them completely. Using the stainless steel screws, attach the wing brackets that support the top section of the fire table. Do not tighten these screws completely until after you have attached the top. This will make lining up the holes much easier. Once all of the brackets are attached, lift the fire table top into place. This requires 2 people. Start all of the screws into the strips on the bottom of the tabletop, but do not tighten them completely until all of the screws are started. Once all of the screws are started, complete the tightening of all screws. Add the stainless steel safety rail around the burner opening. Remember, the ice bucket and lid are only to be in the table when the flame is not in use. To install the gas bottle and regulator, remove the door on the base of the fire table stand. Remove the rubber cap from the gas connection point. Attach the end of the regulator hose to the gas connection point on the fire table. Tighten with a wrench. Remember, these gas connections are reverse threaded. Attach the end of the hose with the regulator to the gas bottle. Insert the gas bottle into the stand. Turn on the gas bottle valve. If you smell or hear any gas, quickly turn off the gas bottle and check your connections. Refer to the instruction booklet for more safety and troubleshooting information. Read the lighting instructions. Install the included AA battery. Push the knob in and point to the pilot location. You will hear clicking. Keep in mind that you will have a large amount of air in the line feeding up to the burner. Because of this, the burner may take over a minute to light. You will see the pilot light ignite once it is ready. You can then adjust the knob to the setting that you desire. The fire table comes with a full-length cover that will protect your investment. Enjoy your fire table.
Yeah!
Nice.